Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. The time is very close for Bitcoin to break this bearish pennant because we are very at the end of this pennant right now. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. And I've also shared the link for this report in the video's description that will show you how many trades I've shared in the previous month and how many trades were successful and how many trades were unsuccessful. And for example, if you would like to verify any trade, then you can just click on the link. It will take you to that particular idea. And by the way, I've also shared the screenshots how the price line entered the buying zone and hit the sell target. So you can just click on the link and it will take you to the trading view, and over there you will find this play button, and you can just click this play button. It will show you how the price line behaved after posting this trade setup. I think it is taking some time, or maybe their system is right now down. Now let's start the analysis and move to the charts, and we can see that this is a daily time frame chart, by the way. And we've already seen that the price line broke out the resistance of the very big down channel. We cannot ignore this breakout because this was a very big breakout. The price line entered this channel here in October and broke out the resistance here in Feb 2022. And you can see that we are in uptrend as we are forming higher lows. And here we have broken down the support. But if we just ignore these spikes, then we can see that technically we're still inside the support, above the support of the rising wedge. Previously I was not ignoring these supports, these spikes, but if we just ignore these spikes, and I'm just considering this accumulation here, we have a touch point here, we have a touch point here, and I'm just ignoring these two touch points, then we can see it seems to be that we will have the next support. We are having the next support here, and we can expect a reversal from here, because at the same time the price line is forming higher low than previous low. And if we watch the RSI is forming lower than previous low, and the stochastic is also forming lower than previous low. So there is a hidden bullish divergence on the chart. Therefore there is a high probability, still very high probability, that we may have a reversal move from here. And for example, if the price line reaches the resistance of this wedge, then this time after this some sideways move, we can expect a move up to approximately $49,000. Now let's switch to the bearish pennant that we are following on the 4-hourly time frame chart, and we can see that we had a fake out here to the downside, but the price line recovered back, re-entered this falling wedge, this bearish pennant. And recently we have again bounced by the support of the bearish pennant. And as you know, it is considered to be a bullish reversal pattern. Therefore, the probability is high for the breakout, in favor of breakout. Now, for example, if the price line breaks out the resistance of this wedge, then that can trigger the bigger move that will lead the price line here up to 49,000 at the resistance of this rising wedge pattern on the daily time frame. And let's see the target for this falling wedge, that is here at the top of the wedge, approximately at $46,900 to $47,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.